This is Bob with KDS Models USA, and what we have in front of us is an unboxing video, and we've already laid the components out. In just a few moments we're going to go through and look at each one of the components, but this is the KDS Innova 450 fly-barless helicopter, and it is the belt drive version, and I think you're going to be thoroughly impressed with this helicopter. This helicopter can be flown in smaller spaces. It's also the great helicopter for those who are looking for their first beginner collective pitch helicopter. And then this is also 100% capable of doing any 3D movie you can think of. So as we get started with this, I think you're going to be impressed with the components and the quality of this kit. Let's get started with the unboxing. All the components for the helicopter now have been laid out. Let's begin the unboxing. We'll go over each one of the components here. One of the things that you're going to want to do as you get ready for this is make sure that you take and Loctite all the screws that are involved in this, and make sure that you've Loctited everything in place and that you've got your helicopter's been taken care of. All the screws are taken out and put in back in with Loctite to make sure that you have a strong and safe helicopter to be able to fly. The trend of the market today seems to be the smaller helicopters, and this can certainly fit the bill and be flown in smaller places, and to be able to enjoy your first collective pitch helicopter with a very high quality helicopter. So let's get started with the unboxing, and let me zoom in here on our first part of that, and we'll look here at our KDS E-Bar. This is the KDS E-Bar fly-barless system, and it is the V2 version of that. And you'll see that you've got a PPC programming box there that you'll be able to do all the programming with that. It comes with all the cables necessary to set this up with a Futaba radio or a Spectrum radio. All the cabling are involved with that. And once you get your programming done and you get out to the field, you can take the box with you out to the field, and you'll be able to make any adjustments at the field that you feel like you need to. Let's move down here. Here's the instruction book for that. And then also a CD for the blueprint for that, and the build blueprints for this with the build. Move up here to the canopy, an absolutely gorgeous canopy, fiberglass canopy that comes with this very strong, durable canopy. So let's move down here and take a look at our servos. These are KDS servos. They are metal geared servos, and they're the 3 cyclic servos, and they make them very strong, durable, very quick. You can see that you got your tail servo there along with the cyclic servos. You've got your main gear, the landing skids. And then one of the great features of this, let's zoom in on this, so you can see the tail components and the main head, rotor head on this, and you can see the quality of this. Move in here on the tail. And then back up here, over here on the head. And we'll move back out here, and these are the 325 millimeter main blades, and then your tail blades that are involved with that. Then you have your tail boom, and all the components that are involved with the tail boom. Another great feature is the very, very strong frame that's involved with this helicopter. You can see that it is a carbon fiber frame. And once again, one of the things that you're going to want to make sure that you do are to take these screws out and just reapply them. But the nice thing about it is the frame is put together, and you'll just need to take the screws out, Loctite those, insert your servos. Your frame will be complete, saving you a lot of time. The vertical and horizontal stab on this, and you can see that that is carbon fiber as well. You have the motor, KDS motor, also the KDS ESC, 40 amp ESC. And then another nice feature that we're including in this kit is a set of beginner landing skids that go along with this, that'll go on the bottom of the landing skids here, that will assist you as you begin to learn the process of flying a collective pitch helicopter. This will help you get yourself orientated to hovering. And then also there'll be 2 drivers that will be included in this, are the Kylin drivers, very high quality Kylin drivers, the 1.5 and the 2.0 drivers. So as we pan back out and take a look at this, you can see that this is definitely a high quality helicopter that KDS has put together, and you'll certainly enjoy the build on this. And the only thing that you need to use on this to complete your build is to include your own receiver with your radio and a 2200 milliamp battery, 3-cell, and you'll be ready to fly with this. So it's a great kit, almost everything that you need to get this thing in the air. And we know that you're going to enjoy this as your first beginner helicopter, or you're looking for a helicopter to fly in smaller areas that are completely capable of doing 3D maneuvers. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.